Okay, I bought a box of 2009 Prominent Cuts by Upper Deck. I'm going to check out and see what I got here. I never bought these before, but I like the Donruss Americana stuff, so it's a nice collectible stuff, hopefully. Okay, pack one. Sealed nice and tight. Base, base, base. Cage Fighter, Keith Jardine autograph. CFS-KJ. Okay, box two. Apparently there's one cut autograph per box. 5 packs per box. This is pretty thick. Oh yeah, that's thick. Very thick card in here. Base, base, base. Robe from Enter the Dragon. All fuzzy. Not numbered. Card HH27 Hollywood History. Okay. Pack 3. This is pretty thick too. Cheech. Pants, Hollywood History. Of Will Rogers. HH31. Piece of Will Rogers pants he wore. Okay, apparently. Okay. Pack 4. This is thin. Autograph, probably. Base, base, base. Another Cage Fighter autograph. Ken Shamrock. CFS-KS. Don't know who he is. Okay. Hopefully there's a cut autograph in this one. Last pack. Base LeBron, Bill Clinton, Joe Louis. Oh. Howie Mandel, 6 of 10. Cut autograph. Alright. Looks like they just shoved it in there. Thanks for watching.